All of us know very well by now how color affects our perception, even on a single photo. Let's take a look at how we can change the intensity of colors and make them more vibrant and fresh. To select this setting, we go to the Image, Adjustments menu and select Vibrance. A window will open with two sliders, Vibrance and Saturation. The difference between the two is that saturation is a much stronger effect and is suitable for situations when we want to make larger changes. With vibrance, the changes are more subtle and to some extent retain a more natural color. This is especially true when it comes to people's skin. Certainly, vibrance is a big help when a photo needs to become more vibrant, colorful, and rich. There's some additional interesting tricks with the vibrance options that you can find in my advanced Photoshop tutorial.